Have you ever heard of a pinto bean pie? Yes, you heard that right. A pinto bean pie. When I was growing up in western North Carolina, my granny was always in the kitchen cooking something. But she would always make a pot of soup beans, and she'd leave out about 2 cups of it with the juice to make this pie. The recipe I'm making is actually her recipe. It's a sweet pie and not savory. You don't even taste the pinto beans in it. Some people call this type of food a lot of names, such as Southern cooking, Appalachian cooking, or soul food. But when I was a kid growing up, it was survival food. This type of food fed a lot of hungry families in my area. When people ask me what my grandmother did for a living, I always say she was a scientist. She could always take ingredients and make them into the best tasting foods you have ever eaten. At the end of this video, I have put her recipe so you can try it and share it with your family. It's one recipe that they will be asking you to make over and over again.